We begin with the bigger of the two deals. Generic drug maker Actavis agreeing to pay $66 billion for Allergan, the company best known as the maker of Botox. The massive price tag, which amounts to $219 per share, effectively ends a month-long hostile bid by billionaire hedge fund manager Bill Ackman, along with Canadian drug maker Valeant for the same company. Investors approved of the matchup. Shares of Actavis rose more than 1.5%, while shares of Allergan jumped 5%. More now on how Actavis sealed the deal. The bidding war for Botox maker Allergan didn't end up quite the way Actavis investor Bill Ackman was hoping for.
As more potential partners or combination partners say they're not interested in Allergan, that puts Valeant in a stronger and stronger negotiating position.
Back in April, Ackman started the bidding with Valeant's $53 billion offer, an offer Allergan fought off vigorously. Ackman's final bid topped an earlier offer from Actavis, but wound up being no match for the $66 billion deal announced today.
The offers never came even close to the intrinsic value of the company. As of Friday, the implied offer was $183, so, $11 billion, give or take, away from what Actavis is willing to pay for us. And I really feel that this is a fair price.
So what is Actavis buying? Growth. Sales growth at Allergan has often exceeded 10% a year, not the norm for most big pharmaceutical companies. How? For one thing, Botox isn't just about wrinkles anymore. It's being used to treat migraines, dry eye, and even neurological disorders like MS. That's why Allergan favored Actavis and its commitment to earmark almost $2 billion for research and development.
R&D is the lifeblood of our industry. We have one of the greatest combined late-stage development portfolios in the industry, which will sustain growth for the foreseeable future.
Analysts say the deal will also cut Allergan's taxes by almost $300 million. That's because Actavis recently moved its headquarters to Ireland, where tax rates are much lower than here in the U.S. Despite the intense battle to buy Allergan, Ackman still made out quite well. He is Allergan's largest shareholder. The value of his 10% stake has surged, giving him a profit of more than $2 billion. And Actavis says that with the acquisition of Allergan, the combined company will have more than 24 new products in late-stage clinical testing.